Hi friends and families, today I'm going to teach you how to pronounce. That's why we got a board here to teach you about the magic E and how it makes the other words change. And also we're going to learn how to make A. Okay? Good. So, we're starting off with magic E. It's magic. So magic E makes words good. It makes it don't have the things that it needs to spell. So we're starting off with easy. I don't want to give you hard, so I'm giving you easy. We're starting off with a word. You can like respell it, like sound it. Then you know what is it. I'll give you some time to think what this says while I read out the line. And add some new pair of lines. You will see what I mean. Okay, now I think time is up so we don't get this thing late, okay? And it's gonna be bedtime, so yeah. So that says bake. These two letters make. So this makes bake. If we didn't have the E, it makes a different word. It makes back. It here's like a bag, but bag. But if we don't need a K, so the E comes. The E was a magic E. So, see these two letters. It makes A. Let's go into another one. But this time, we are not going to do magic E. We are going to start off with A. We can make A by using A and I. We can do that one way, but there's another way of doing it. We could use A and Y for your guess. So, here, let me see. What does that spell? Let's sound it out together. P-U-A. What does that spell? Play. Because this Y and A makes A. Well, it makes A, it makes play. Let's go on to another word that starts with an A. I'm going to write one word. First, every time when you do a sentence, we start with a capital letter. Then we go off with simple letters. I'll teach you that when we're done learning about these, okay? I'll show you, I'll put a link in the middle, put the simple letters that come, okay? Good. That has an A. I will give you some time to spell it. If you want, we can help you do the words. So, T and O make 2 together without that sound, without the D-A. That makes sense. So that's why. So, 2, and then, Monday. It has a day. That is day. So, what does that spell? Today. Now, since I've been telling you that I will show you about how we need capital letters in the beginning of a sentence and the letters that we have when like simple letters. Okay, I'm gonna add a line in the middle. One side will be the capital letters. One side will be the one side will be that's simple. Okay, I'll write a capital letter here. So I put the same letters, but this side is capital, this side. I will write the word. This is the capitals that has the beginning, like the beginning of ABCDs. By the way, these are the ABCDs things. Because ABCDs have all the words that we need to spell. So, capital and simple. Here's a T that is capital. Here's a T that is simple. You see how different they are? This one goes curve, flick, line. This one goes up, line. This one has a flick. And this one has just 2 lines. Line going that way, line going this way. Here's a B. That's capital. Here's another B, which is simple. Here's the B that we are going to do. Draw the same. You can draw with me by using on your paper, by using a pencil. Even though you don't have a board, just like this one. This one we put it stick to the wall by using glue tag. That's why you see on the wall. Okay, and that's a capital B, and this one is we're going to do a simple B. You see how different they are. This one we go line, we make a big stomach and a big head. That will be easy for you to remember. Here we add a line and a big tummy. It kind of looks like an upside down P, but it just looks like a B as a simple B. So this is a capital A, this is a simple A. Here's how we draw a capital A. Sometimes this A you can change it into this A. It normally looks like a number 6, but it's an A. This is a capital R. This is a simple R. Here is how we do our R. This is your feet, not your feet, so you know how it's easy. And this is the head and the other feet, an R. Now, this is how you draw a simple R. You need to do a line and then curve. That's good. I'm going to lap it out. Then I could show you numbers turn into candles, swarms, animals, different types of things. You don't know that. I wiped in my board. Now it's so clean. Now I say goodbye to you. Bye. Please subscribe and like for more videos. Bye.